Hello, my name is Colt Mocklow, roofing specialist here at Cool Roofs, and I just wanted to outline some important factors to take a look at when deciding on a professional contractor to work with on your next and upcoming roofing project. A couple things that you can look into. Number one is check out the BBB accreditations and other accreditations that company has and that can provide to you as a homeowner. Check out references, follow up with some of the customers that they've had the privilege to work with in the past and ask them how the customer experience was. Was the communication at an all-time high? Did they show up when they said they were going to show up? Did they install the products to like, kind, and quality following manufacturer specifications? Another thing that's really important is look at Google, look at Yelp, look at other professional services where customers like yourself have had the opportunity to work and then leave that positive review and inform of the experience from A to Z. Another important factor is insurance. I think this is an all-time important thing to not neglect and look to assure that they have the proper insurance, carry workman's comp, and a good way to do this is when working with a contractor, have them provide a COI, also known as a certificate of insurance, to assure that they have all qualifications to get up on that roof and provide quality work. These are a couple things to be attentive to and look into when you, as the homeowner, is looking for someone to come and provide the utmost of value working on your number one valued investment, your home, to assure it's done the right way.